Guys and gals, today we're gonna be talking about a dreaded topic by many, including me, for soloing and improvising. Why is it dreaded? It's because you're expressing yourself, you're not playing somebody else's music, it's your own stuff, and most of the time it ends up being in a jam, and what that means is you're creating on the spot. So you haven't had the time to rehearse it or anything like that. But here are some tips on how to get better at improvising. First, record yourself playing some chords on your phone. Or alternatively, just search on YouTube E minor, G, C, whatever key suits you, backing track. Second, try playing the scale that suits those chords over that recording. I'd encourage you to actually try out all of the notes from that scale against each of the chords and seeing what you like the sound of. Which scale is appropriate to play over certain chords? Well, if it's a blues, for example, it says E minor blues, then try playing the E minor pentatonic. If the song starts with a G chord, for example, and finishes with a G chord, then it's probably in the key of G. But helping you to pinpoint what scales go over what is actually a separate topic that could cover like a whole other 15 minutes. So if you want to know that, leave a comment below and I'll record a video for you. 3. When you're comfortable with that scale, try to skip some notes and play varied notes, even if they're random, but pay close attention to what you're playing because that's crucial for the next step. Repeat any ideas you like the sound of. You'll be able to create your own phrases, your own licks, and your own vocabulary of melodies. Experimenting is something that I always encourage on this channel, so try going outside of the box. Don't stick to the same scale, just remember what notes you're playing, because if you like them, you'd better repeat them. Even though there's a lot of theory in music, don't forget that it's also art. So you might like what somebody else plays, but you might have a completely different taste. So do experiment and play what you personally like, and that way you'll be able to develop your own unique voice. But actually, the 5th point, play other people's licks that you like. And in case you didn't know what a lick in guitar language is, it's what a phrase is called in the guitarist language. So actually, try to listen to your favorite guitarists and play some phrases that they play. That way you'll know you're already playing something that you like the sound of. It's also very fun to play along with your favorite guitarists. Then when you learn that lick, you could change it up a bit and make it into your own. You could add a note, change the rhythm, and that way you'll make it more of who you are and tell your own story through it. The reality is that it's way more rewarding to play a lick that you've figured out rather than somebody else's lick, but it's way more fun to just play somebody else's stuff that's already out there for you, right? So please keep on experimenting, and I'd love to hear a play. So if you share somewhere a video of you playing, don't forget to tag me using the social media links. I'll also leave links to my social media below, and tag me there. I really want to hear what you're getting up to. Okay, bye, and I'll see you next time.